Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. Today we're going to be talking themes, specifically the black theme from MINU, a popular developer of themes and wallpapers, icon packs, stuff like that, on the Samsung theme store. So if you search in the Samsung theme store, this one is called Black. As I said, I will try to link it down below. I know that is hard for some people because if you're outside of the US, it will try to take you to the US theme store and you won't be able to access it. So with this theme, it gives you a black wallpaper, which I do not have applied. So I'm going to go ahead and reapply the theme just so we get the full effect. But this one does do your stock apps, most of them, your notification pull down, your settings shade right here. It themes those as black. So if you're on the home screen here, you can see the icons right here do theme as well. It does not theme some third-party icons, actually most third-party icons. So I usually just revert this back to the default icons just so they're not mixed and matched and stuff like that, which is what I usually do, which is why I don't use icon packs, because of the theming of the third-party icons. I just don't like the way it looks on the screen, how it has half themed icons and half regular icons. So you get that. You do get theme settings as well. So your settings section will be in dark mode. If you're using the stock Samsung messaging app, that will also be themed dark. I'm using Android messages just because it's a little bit lighter and I like how it looks. Your phone app will be themed, stuff like that will be themed. I'm not going to open the phone app just because of the numbers that will be in there and stuff like that. But you do get a nice dark theme. It is pitch black, so all these pixels are off. You are going to be saving battery life with this on your OLED display. Turning it off, there is no AOD theme or anything like that. I just have this custom game controller always on display, little graphic right there. And then of course your lock screen is themed as well. It does change the clock, so the clock I have set in the settings, it doesn't do that with this theme. You have to go back and change that. You can also reapply a different wallpaper. I was using this one right here. I know a lot of people like the color one right here, but we'll go back to this one. You can see it themes down here as well with the buttons. So when you set a wallpaper like this, it does theme the folders as well. So if you have a folder, the little folder icon right there is black. Normally you can change this if you're running the default theme. That's something you can edit with the theme. You cannot change that though. It just sets everything to black. So if you're running an icon or a wallpaper rather, something like this, it does bother some people having the dark icons. Of course you can change your icons, but even if you change the icons, it will still theme the folders as dark. But that is the dark theme from MINU. It's one of my favorites. It's one of the best ones out there that will get you a full, pretty much dark mode experience in your stock apps. There are ways you can theme other apps as well, but that's a little more involved and something for a separate video. If you guys want to see that, how to theme your whole phone, go ahead and drop it down in the comment section below. Click that subscribe button and go ahead and like the video. As always, this is Colin with Techout. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop it down in the comment section below. And as always, don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and have a great day.